Time wasted finding available meeting room. Double bookings that create confusion. No proper booking records. Introducing Facilities Booking System, a solution to manage and simplify the booking of office facilities with ease and breeze. The solution helps your employees to check on availability of spaces, make booking, send confirmation, and enhance visibility through tablet display installed right outside the meeting room with meeting details. It also comes with Visitor Management System integration, where the host fills up visitors' information, books the meeting room, and all details will be recorded in Visitor System. When visitors register at the receptionist, they will be informed on the exact location of meeting room. At the same time, the host will receive instant alert upon visitors' arrival. Takes the hassle of room booking today and transforms your workplace with our smart technology to shape the way we live and work. Visit www.comms.com.my for more info.